Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download and install the BricksMade plugin for the ACSS automatic.css framework and how to import designs. Let's jump into the WordPress dashboard. Before we get started, there's one small setting we need to enable in the Bricks settings. Go to the Builder tab, scroll down, and enable Import Pasted Images/SVGs. Then click Save Settings. This will allow you to import BricksMade designs with images. Now let's install the ACSS plugin. Click Add New Plugin, then Upload Plugin. Choose the ACSS plugin zip file that you downloaded from the automatic CSS dashboard. Then Install Now and Activate Plugin. Now enter license key, then click Save and Activate. Now let's install the BricksMade plugin. Head over to the BricksMade dashboard, click the Download Framework button, and copy your license key. Now, jump back to WordPress dashboard. Click Upload Plugin, choose the BricksMade zip file you just downloaded, then click Install Now and Activate. Now go to BricksMade and select ACSS Framework as your design system. Here, paste your license key and click Activate License. The plugin is now installed and activated. By default, the Layers design set is active. Now the wait is over. Let's head over to Pages and click Edit with Bricks. Now to copy designs, head over to the BricksMade dashboard. Let's start with blocks, so click Blocks. As of now, we have 500 plus blocks and 64 templates, and we're adding new blocks and templates every week. So by the time you're watching this video, you'll likely have even more available. First, let's filter ACSS-only blocks so we don't accidentally copy designs from the wrong framework. Let's use the CTA35 block. Here, you'll see two copy options, Copy and BAM. First, let's click Copy. Paste the block into the Import option in the Bricks Builder inside the Structure panel. Wow! The block is imported successfully and looks perfect on both tablet and mobile devices. Let's take a look at the text element styles. In ACSS designs, all styling is applied at the ID level. For example, ACSS color and font size variables are assigned directly to the element ID. Now let's compare this with a BAM ACSS design. We'll use the exact same block, but with BAM ACSS styling. Just click the BAM button to copy it. Now, if we look at the same text element, you'll notice that in BAM design, all ACSS styling is applied at the class level. A class named BMC-CTA-35 text has been added. In the BAM methodology, styling is always applied using CSS classes. BAM stands for Block, Element, Modifier. Like this, every element's styling is applied through classes. Now, let's import a template page. Let's jump into the BricksMade plugin admin page. These are all the available templates. To find one quickly, let's use the search feature. For this example, we'll search for Skyla. You can preview the template by clicking Preview. For now, let's go ahead and click Install. Here are the changes that will be applied after importing this design set. You can uncheck any items if needed, then click Import Selected. Now, to copy the template design, head over to the BricksMade dashboard. Click Templates. Let's go for the same template Skyla. On the Skyla template page, click the ACSS Filter tab. Here you'll find all the pages and templates used in Skyla template. Let's copy the home page and paste it into the builder. A message appeared saying Class Conflict Detected. Don't worry, this simply means you already have a class named Alt Shade, and the imported design includes a class with the same name. For now, just click Skip Class Import. We'll cover class conflicts and how to handle them in detail in upcoming videos. And boom! The page has been imported successfully. Let's check it out on the front end. The page looks perfect, with all scroll animations working as expected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.